Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data literacy with DataCamp, full guide step by step clearly. To increase data literacy with DataCamp, start by defining what data literacy means for you and your organization. Understand that data literacy involves the ability to read, work with, analyze, and communicate with data.
Identify the current skill levels of your team members through assessments or surveys.
Gather insights on their data-related strengths and weaknesses.
Set clear goals for improving data literacy within your organization. Determine what specific skills or knowledge areas need development.
Visit the DataCamp website and create an account if you don't already have one. Explore the various learning tracks offered by DataCamp. Choose a track that aligns with the identified goals of your team. Consider specialized tracks such as data analysis, machine learning, or data engineering. Encourage team members to start with introductory courses that match their skill levels. Utilize DataCamp's interactive exercises to reinforce learning. Encourage participants to apply what they learn through real-world projects. Incorporate regular check-ins to discuss progress and share insights with the team. Consider forming study groups or discussion forums to foster collaboration among team members. Use DataCamp's resources, such as tutorials and blogs, to supplement the learning experience. Monitor progress by tracking course completions and skill assessments. Celebrate milestones and achievements to motivate continued learning. Solicit feedback from team members about the courses and learning formats. Adjust the learning plan based on this feedback for improved outcomes. Promote a data-driven culture within the organization to sustain interest in data literacy. Encourage the use of data in decision-making processes across departments. Regularly revisit and update your organization's data literacy goals. Continue to leverage DataCamp's evolving content to stay current with data trends. By following these steps, you will enhance data literacy significantly within your team using DataCamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.